In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Gmail attachment preview 5 minutes. If Gmail won't preview attachments, maybe you see a spinning wheel, a blank viewer, or an error, the most common culprit is old or corrupted site data in your browser. The quickest fix is to clear the cookies and site data that Gmail relies on, then reload Gmail so it can start fresh. I'll walk you through it step by step and you'll be back to previewing files in just a few minutes. Start by opening your web browser. This process is the same in most modern browsers, and the menu you need is usually in the top right corner of the window. Look for the three-dot icon to open the browser menu. This is where all the key options live, including your browser's settings. From that menu, choose Settings. This opens a new tab with all your browser preferences. On the left hand side or near the top, find the section labelled Privacy and Security. This is where your browser manages things like cookies, site permissions, and data stored by websites you visited. Inside Privacy and Security, look for the option that says Delete Browsing Data or Clear Browsing Data. Click it to open a small window that lets you choose what to remove. For our purpose, we only need to target the data that can interfere with Gmail's preview tool. Make sure cookies and other site data is selected. You can leave other options like browsing history unchecked if you don't want to remove them. Selecting just cookies and site data is usually enough to reset Gmail's viewer without affecting your saved history. When you're ready, click Delete Data. Your browser may ask you to confirm. Keep in mind, deleting cookies will sign you out of most websites, so you may need to log back into Gmail afterward. That's expected, and it's part of giving Gmail a clean slate. Now return to your Gmail tab. If you already had it open, refresh the page to load Gmail with your fresh site data, sign back in if prompted, then open an email with an attachment and click the preview icon. In most cases, the file viewer should open smoothly now because Gmail has brand new cookies and site storage to work with. That's it. Clearing cookies and site data resolves the majority of Gmail attachment preview glitches by removing outdated information that can block the viewer from loading properly. If the problem continues, it could be a temporary service issue. Give it a little time and try again. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you fix Gmail attachment preview quickly and confidently.